your fridge. It used to have a CF error code with that loud noise. Come here, I'll show you what the problem is. Most likely it's gonna be this condenser cooling fan right here. It gets stuck. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna obviously remove the back cover, unplug it from the wall. You can pull the fan forward. It comes out really easy. Use some WD-40, put it inside the little motor right there, and I bet you that was gonna fix your problem. At least it fixed mine. Follow me for more tips.